Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
You begin by building flavor. Melt 2 tablespoons butter, then sauté 1 chopped onion and 2 garlic cloves until soft. This releases savory aromatics. Once the onion is translucent, pour in 2 cups of broth and 1 cup of milk and bring to a gentle simmer so liquids heat evenly. Now remove from direct heat and sprinkle 1 cup of instant potato flakes while whisking. This immediately thickens the base and prevents lumps, giving you a smooth, creamy foundation. Once your base is smooth, put the pot back over low heat and simmer for 5 to 7 minutes so starches fully hydrate and flavors meld. You should stir occasionally to prevent sticking and monitor thickness. Add 1/2 cup cream or extra milk if you want a silkier mouthfeel, or a splash of broth to loosen. Then season with 1 teaspoon salt, 1/2 teaspoon black pepper, and 1/2 teaspoon dried thyme. Taste and fine-tune, because instant potatoes can mute seasoning. To finish, stir in cooked add-ins like crumbled bacon, peas, corn, or a cup of shredded cheese off the heat so they blend without breaking texture. Make sure to taste one more time and adjust seasoning. Garnish with chopped chives or parsley for brightness and serve immediately with crusty bread. If the soup is too thin, add 1/4 cup more instant flakes and whisk until smooth. If it's lumpy, take it off heat and whisk vigorously or use a hand blender briefly.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.